Meaning of detainee.
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 Detainee. A detainee is a person who is held in custody, typically by the government or law enforcement agencies. This can occur for a variety of reasons, such as suspicion of committing a crime or as part of military operations. Detainees may be held temporarily or for an extended period of time, and their treatment and legal rights are often under scrutiny. Being a detainee can have significant consequences on a person's life, including loss of freedom, restriction of movement, and potential harm to physical and mental well-being. In some cases, detainees may face charges in trial, while in others they may be released without charge.